Hi, I'm Nirvana,
I'm Kurag,
and we're from the School of Better Sex.
the School of Better Sex.
So we're going to run a workshop in a month's time.
Yep.
What's it called again?
It is called Getting What You Want.
Getting What You Want.
Yeah.
And so one of the questions that we will ask in our workshops is, what is your pronoun? Yeah.
Which takes some people by surprise because they might not have ever had that question posed to them before. And then other people might have been to other events where they've been asked that and haven't quite understood it.
Yeah. So we're going to talk from our own experience and tell you why we asked that question. So my pronoun is she, they. The reason I use she, they is that I am born into a body that has a vulva, and I really like that. I'm born in the body that I'm in. But my expression of my gender or my expression of myself doesn't necessarily have a gendered filter. So the way that I engage sexually and the way I engage in my life doesn't necessarily fit into the current paradigm of what a female looks like or female behaves. And so sometimes that can be confusing for myself and for others when I haven't fit into that kind of mold. So that makes me feel a little bit more grounded in just who I am, because gender doesn't really fit that space.
And I always identify myself as they, them, their, and actually, as I think about it, it's because I'm really passionate about gender as a construct. I look, I have a body; it's got a penis, but this whole he-man thing has never sat easily with me, not since I was a little kid. So and like there's so much history around gender, and this narrow definition of gender into he and she is a pretty modern Western construct that hasn't existed, and there's lots to be said about that. But from a personal perspective, I just don't. It just doesn't sit with me. I just something locks up in my body when I get labelled with he or man or dude or whatever the things that people say. But when I feel they and them or their, I'm just like, oh yeah, that's me. They're talking about me. So yeah, so that's where it sits with me. And I guess the other reason we ask it is because we really want to make all people feel included in the workshops or every workshop that we deliver. Is that all people of all gender constructions, identities, experiences, and also of sexualities feel welcome at our workshops. And so, we hope that you will come along.
It's on the 2nd of March, and it will be
in Brisbane.
In Brisbane, yes.
Yeah,
location.
From 10 o'clock till 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Location still to be totally confirmed.
Yes.
And
we'll be there shortly.
It's all about getting what you want.
Yes, totally.